So you can see the dignitaries.
Enganzi y'ihanga Robinana Banja erizoba niwe yayibembere mukoro y'ihanga ey'okujaguza ekiro ky'amamanzi eky'omulundi gwa 34 muri district ya Luwero.
You are most welcome to grace this occasion. We love you. If you did not know, we are telling you now.
Enganzi y'ihanga na Banja yabanza no kwinamira ebisigarra by'abantu abari kurenga omuriro 13 abaferire mu rutaro ahari obutuntumuro mu Luwero. Purezidenti Museveni mu butumwa bwe obwamushomerwa enganzi y'ihanga Robinana Banja yagamba hakwiyayihireyo n'abagenzi be okucungura ihanga kandi bakagaruka bakatandikaho omusinge gw'entunguuka.
On the 30th of June, we attacked Hoima and got scores of rifles and money from UCB. On the New Year's Day, 1985, we attacked Kabamba and got all the guns that had eluded us in 1981.
Purezidenti Museveni nagamba ngu ko bacungwira ihanga bakataho kujemesa abana polio na n'ebindi ekyaretera abantu bayeyongera ngu bithakireho abari kwiba emibazi ya gavumenti.
Your MPs should work with the Ministry of Health to stop this theft. On implementing free education, we are going to make a fresh drive, which your local leaders should support to ensure that there is no charges in government schools. Education and health are not businesses, as some people think, especially for the poor. They are a minimum public good.
Purezidenti Museveni nagamba ngu hata gavumenti ebembize cyo kureba ngu okushoma kwabera kimwe kwabusha okukora enguuto okurwanisa obworo hamwe na n'okukora ebindi by'entunguuka.
The parasites who regard education and health as business, especially for the poor, must be firmly opposed. They are ruining the future of our children. The completion rate in primary schools is only 31%. This means that if 100 children start in primary 1, by the end of primary 7, 69, that is 2007 and 2013, will have dropped out. This is what I wanted to cure in 1986 when I started UPE and USE later.
Bamwe habacungwira ihanga basima Purezidenti Museveni ahabw'okwehayo akabebembera mpaka bashikira kuzaahura ihanga.
Oweekitiibwa ba veterans abaawummula amagye basiima nnyo Ministry ya Defense and Veterans Affairs. Muli balungi nnyo olw'okubasasula akasiimo kaabwe naye mwongeremu sipiidi. Naye tukusaba mubayiyize emirimu egifaanagana ne bye baatendekebwa ng'okukuuma ebisolo, okukola obwa security ku mafuta, okugenda e Somalia, nga bwe mwayiza abesese okulima ebinazi.
Bamwe habayihireyo omu kucungura ihanga baheebwa emidaadi. Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.